Hey there, medical fans. Today, we've got the top tonsil stone removals of 2017 from various sources around the web. So we'll have those and a few bonus clips where we show you what tonsil stones are and how to remove them yourself. Here we go. Number 5, the best from Instagram. Wow. Tonsil stones are calcified chunks of bacteria and other debris lodged in the tonsil crypts. Here's number 4, from VidMe. Tonsil stones are usually benign, but they can cause infection, especially if you tear the skin while removing them. Here's number 3, the best from Reddit. The guy's YouTube channel is actually called Tonsil Stone Man, if you want to check it out. Here's a couple images from Reddit too. To get rid of them, sometimes it's helpful to gargle with salt water to loosen the surrounding mucus. Number 2, from YouTube, this one is absolutely enormous, a little hard to see though. As you can see in these clips, people use various objects to try to dislodge them. Using a dedicated object, such as this lighted pick, is recommended. And number 1, also from YouTube, with over 16 million views, Extreme Tonsil Stone Removal on World's Greatest Medical and Fitness. Simple but effective. So there you go, the best tonsil stones from all around. Hope you enjoyed the video. Check out the Amazon link below if you'd like to get a lighted pick for yourself. Makes a good gift too. The shape is nice, and the light, of course, helps you see what you're doing. So check out the link in the description. Don't forget to subscribe, and we'll see you next time.